Hi, my name is Dave Andrews. Today I'm going to show you how to indent cells in Excel. Let's open up Excel by clicking on the Start button. Go into All Programs. Let's find Microsoft Office and launch Excel. Now what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to type in some text into these cells and then I'm going to show you how to indent them. What I want to do is indent the text in this A2 to where it sticks out a little bit further than the others. To do that, simply go to the Alignment area that's under the Home tab, and you'll see two buttons here that say Decrease Indent and Increase Indent. Every time we click that, the selected cell's indention will be increased. You can increase them and you can decrease them. It's that simple to indent cells. My name is Dave Andrews, and I've just showed you how to indent cells using Excel.